Wiha is a world-leading manufacturer of hand tools for professional use. Founded over 80 years ago as a small family-run business, Wiha is a global company, still family-owned, providing excellent products designed to stand out with best-in-class performance. This 6-piece Wiha SoftFinish VDE SlimFix screwdriver set has high-quality chrome vanadium steel blades, which have been through-hardened for long life with a black finish for durability. The insulation is moulded directly to each blade, which are then individually tested to 10,000 volts and approved for safe use at 1,000 volts. The patented SoftFinish SlimFix handle is designed specifically for use in electrical installations to be comfortable in use, providing the optimum balance of torque and control to reduce fatigue. The 33% slimmer blades give access other screwdrivers can't achieve and offer the choice of slotted, Phillips or plus-minus tips. Although designed for professional use, with a price tag that would normally reflect this, Real Deals For You are proud to offer this top quality Wiha screwdriver set at an everyday price.